Live from Novalaches, Quezon City, presenting Mrs. Lourdes Fallorina. Live, yes!
There's a coming for us all, I know. It's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it will rain sunny day, I know. Now I know that I want to know how you reverse the rain. I want to know how you reverse the rain. Coming down on a sunny day. Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard, I know. Been out way for a lifetime. Till forever goes, though the circle fast and slow, I know. It can't stop my control. I want to know how you reverse the rain. I want to know how you reverse the rain. Coming down on a Sunday. Yeah.
Yan ang ininom namin. Red wine. Bisperas ng pag-alis.
I want